Yo, what's up, all the bugtokons and all the country, all the bugtokons out there. What's up for today's video? Here is my work. Here is our work in the kawayan that I will kuhain in the Punuan. Here is our product of the kawayan. It's making a footbath. Here's the footbath like this one. There is we place the footbath there. And the payag here. There is the payag, and we only higot in the we only using higot. This one it's all higot only. This one, okay, see this? Yeah, this is the footpath of the pineapple field. That's all. Thank you.